How to change your stadium in FC Mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. Changing your stadium in EA Sports FC Mobile lets you customize the look of your home matches and give your club a fresh new atmosphere. So in order to do that, launch open the EA Sports FC Mobile game on your device. Once you're inside the lobby screen, go ahead and tap on Club on the right corner. Inside the Club section, select Locker Room. Inside Locker Room, choose Stadiums option on the bottom left. Now, you'll be able to see different types of available stadiums on the page. View the stadiums that you have unlocked and select it. Since I don't have any other stadiums unlocked, I'm just gonna have to stick with this option over here. If you've got one, then you can just tap on it and watch your stadium change. After you do that, you can click on confirm at the bottom right when available. So that's the process for changing your stadium in FC Mobile. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.